Hi, welcome to bluefx.net and thank you for downloading these 10 animated social icons free template. Now I will show you how to use these animated icons and how to customize the duration as well. Now I will show you what you will find in the project manager. As you can see, you have a 00 main composition which I will use to show you some process. In the 00U chance folder, you will find these other two folders. The icons folders, where you have all the animated icons, and the text folder, where you have 10 animated text compositions. From the icons folder, I will choose this one and I will drag it to the timeline. As you can see, the icon has a duration of 4 seconds, but you can modify this in a really simple way. So let's open this composition. Now first, let's modify the duration using the composition settings. As an example, let's write here in the duration 8 seconds. Now let's modify the icon timing. To modify the out animation, you just need to move forward or backward this second mark. Let me show you. Remember, you can even modify the speed of the in and out animations by modifying the space between the in point and the first mark, and the out point and the second mark as well. Let me show you. As you can see, the speed is faster now, but you can make it slower by moving this mark forward. You can make the same for the out animation. Okay, let's close this and see how this looks in the main composition. Now it's time to add some text. In the text folder, you have 10 pre-made text composition to add your social address or comment at the side of your animated icon. So I will choose this one and I will drag it to the composition. Now I will make some little adjustments. Done. As you see, the text animation has a different timing, but you can modify this in the same way as I showed you before. So open the composition and repeat the process. Okay, done. Now let's modify the text. To modify the text, just select the text and retype a new one inside. Let me show you. Let's see how this looks in the main composition. The process to modify the duration and timing for the rest of the icons and text composition is quite the same. If you have any question related with this template, please don't hesitate to contact our support team at bluefx.net. My name is Marcelo Cabral, thank you for downloading this free template, and I hope to see you again in the next tutorial. Have a nice day. Bye.